Hi everyone. Today, in this video, I want to compare these two tools and see what we can make with each of them. So this one is Scribble and this one is Sketch. Let's see what they can do for us. So first, I'll try Scribble and see how it works. So you have to drag it and just drop it on your work plane, and you can use this one, draw, or this one to make your shape. Let's use draw, and let's draw a closed shape. Done. This is how it looks. You can change the color from here. You can resize it. Just drag these ones up or down, or push these ones in, or grab them out, push them out. And you can always go back and edit the shape. Let's see if we can erase some parts of it. Done. And this is all of it is one shape. Let's say if we want to click this part, we cannot select like separate parts. What else we can do with this tool? We can do this. Let's say you want to draw another closed shape. And then erase some parts of it. As you can see, like we have one brush and the size doesn't change. So you can make shapes like these ones. Let's see what we can make with our new tool, Sketch. So let's do the same thing. We click and drag it to our work plane, and then we can draw by clicking. And then we can grab the points and move them. On this one, we have more control. Like we can exactly decide how our shape is gonna be, and it's pretty clean and kind of I like this better. Let's go and see what we made. Finish sketch. Here is our shape, and we can always go back and change it, and it's very fun. So if you click add remove points, you can click on the point and it will get deleted. But if you click on the outline, you can add more points. And then using this tool, you can drag your new points. I'm gonna create a few more points and then move them. Also, any of the points that you want, you can select and then make them like this, smooth. And by changing the, like grabbing the handles, moving them, you can change the shape of the curve. Also, you can like, let me show you on this one. So when you move the handle, if you move one side of the handle, both sides move, but you can break the handle. You select the point and then so do break handles. Now you can do this, like you will be able to move the handles separately and the curve will have a different shape. Let's make this one smooth. Also, you can select all of the points together or some of them. Let's say I want to make all of them smooth. So I drag a selection around everything and then click this one. Now I have a shape that I can move the points, and all of the points are smooth. They have these little handles we can move. You can break them and move them separately. So this tool, the new tool, is pretty amazing, and it gives us a lot more control to create the shapes that we want. Let's go finish sketch. And here is our shape. So experiment with the new tool and see what you can make and enjoy it. And see you in the next video. Bye.